Deepfakes are evolving so fast that many people can no longer tell what is real. And this is where your skills as an AI engineer can make a massive impact. In this project, we build a deepfake detection system that scans videos and images and spots tiny clues the human eye usually misses. Think of things like unnatural blinking patterns, shadows falling in the wrong direction, or subtle distortions in facial motion. The model studies these patterns using deep learning and computer vision, allowing it to flag manipulated content with high confidence. This matters because misinformation is rising rapidly between 2025 and 2027, and organizations need trustworthy tools to protect people and brands. You'll see this used in social media verification, news fact-checking, identity fraud prevention, legal evidence validation, and even celebrity impersonation detection. Security teams rely on this tech because deepfakes grow 500% year over year. Cybersecurity, media, finance, and government sectors are hiring for this skill set at speed. Now that you understand the mission, let's explore the skills you need to build this system confidently. To build a deepfake detector that recruiters genuinely value, you need a solid mix of deep learning, computer vision, and pattern analysis skills. The core technical foundation includes CNNs for spatial cues, RNNs for temporal patterns, Python for development, and strong video processing knowledge. You'll also work with tools like PyTorch or TensorFlow, OpenCV for pre-processing, Dlib for facial landmarks, and MediaPipe for precise face mesh extraction. FFmpeg helps you manage heavy video files efficiently. But technical ability alone isn't enough. You also need forensic thinking, the ability to notice small inconsistencies, and a mindset that questions every frame rather than trusting it. Ethical awareness matters too, because this field directly affects digital trust and safety. These skills give you the power to analyze manipulated content at a deeper level and understand how adversarial attacks are created. Now that the skill stack is clear, let's walk through exactly how you will implement the system, step by step. To bring this deepfake detector to life, we follow a structured implementation roadmap that mirrors how real research teams build these systems. We begin with data collection, using datasets like Face Forensics++, CelebDF, and DFDC, making sure we balance real and synthetic samples so the model learns fairly. Then we move into feature engineering, where we extract facial landmarks, examine temporal inconsistencies like unnatural lip sync, detect compression artifacts, and analyze leg mismatches across frames. After that comes model development. Here we train CNNs for spatial detection, add RNNs for time-based patterns, experiment with ensemble methods, and optimize everything for real-time inference so your model can catch fakes instantly. Once the model performs well, we deploy and monitor it by building an API, adding confidence scores, integrating an explainability layer, and enabling continuous retraining. Beginners usually need 10 to 12 weeks, while intermediate learners finish in 7 to 9. With the system built, let's talk about the career impact this project unlocks. Deepfake detection skills place you in one of the fastest-growing AI career paths, with the market predicted to reach $12 billion by 2028, and top models already achieving over 90% detection accuracy. This space is booming because synthetic media grows exponentially every year, and companies urgently need engineers who understand how to protect digital content. Completing this project opens doors to roles such as computer vision security engineer, AI forensics specialist, media verification engineer, and trust and safety AI developer. Recruiters look for candidates who can analyze manipulated media, work with CNN and RNN models, understand adversarial behavior, and build end-to-end verification pipelines. Major companies hiring include Meta, Microsoft, Google, Adobe, Reuters, and the BBC. Salary ranges are strong, from 10 to 25 LPA in India and $95,000 to $165,000 in the United States. Project shows employers that you can safeguard digital truth in a world of synthetic content. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.